So this is the best as I can tell you. It appears to me as though when you adjust the individual knobs, you know, it is responsive. You know, it's definitely doing something here. I can't tell you for sure if, you know, that's working or not working. But, you know, as you adjust the knobs, it's definitely having an effect on the reading that it's putting out. So, I'm gonna guess that whoever's looking at this probably knows more about it than I do, honestly. And, maybe you can tell me what it's doing. Have a great day.